Welcome to Virtualinit examination system. This video shall guide you through the client installation of VES. For this, first browse to ves.virtualinit.net and click on the download menu from the top right corner. Then download the VES client version suitable for the operating system that you have. If you have a 32-bit operating system, download the 32-bit client. And if you have a 64-bit operating system, download the 64-bit client. Alternatively, if you have a Linux operating system in the client, or if you have an Apple Mac operating system in the client, then you can download the said setups as visible to you on the screen. Once the download is completed, you need to run the system either directly or you need to go to the downloads folder from your browser wherever the setup has got downloaded. So from the downloaded setup file, you need to click the VES Client exe file and you need to run the file. Once you run the file, the installation is complete. So now you can map this client to the server and you can start using the VES client to take examination. Congratulations guys, you have successfully installed VES client in your machine. Thank you for watching.